Hello everyone, this is Matias. I am creating a video on credit repair. I'm going to show you some live results from my credit repair company. So just to preface, I have my screen like this because I got people's socials, their logins. I have a lot of their sensitive information. So if I were to show you the full screen, it'd show my memos, and it wouldn't be good for my clients. And their name, their social, driver's license, all the stuff's right here, so I don't want to show you that. So what I am going to show you is, so you can see the scores right here. Typically, the target for my credit per company is we target people in the worst situation. If you got one late payment, you're not becoming a client of mine. We're not taking you. We're taking 40, 50 negative, 100 negatives, even 10. We try to aim for anything about 25 negatives. We're not just taking anyone. We're doing complete total removal. I would say the market average right now for credit repair, because I know a lot of other owners, is about 85% removal. So if you come with us with 100 negatives, whether it's inquiries, collections, bankruptcy, all the accounts with the bankruptcy, all that stuff, 85 items will get removed, but 15 will probably be really difficult to remove. I just had a guy in my system for 15 months. He had multiple bankruptcies filed. He had about 6 to 7 filed. Collectively, 2 to 3 filed each bureau. Sorry. 2 to 3 filed each bureau. And I just told him, very honestly, I'm like, look, I'm not here to sell you a dream that it's me a 30-day quick fix. Back in 2018, 2019, it was like that. 7 days, boom, wipe the whole report. But now things have changed. It's a lot different than it used to be. That's why I moved my model to a monthly model. I have a $99 a month and a $149 a month. Different plans. Let me just take a quick drink. Okay, so just going over this client. These clients are all on round 3. And I'm being fully transparent. If they missed a payment, we have to push it back, so you get to see that. But you can see the scores have gone up since they've been with us. We're disputing every 30 to 45 days. That's something we talk about and decide with the client, depending on their case. We can see Equifax. When we delete so much on Equifax, there might not even be enough information because you have no more negatives that we're giving information into your report. Because a credit report is data at the end of the day. It's an accumulation of data that is tagged by your address, your name, your last 4 of your social, things like that. So it's not like there's a file with your name on it. It's just that there's data in a data stream in these bureaus, and things that are tagged with your address happen to fall into your what is made into your credit report. And it's all just algorithmic and things like that. I've seen cases where, let's just say you have a son and you give him your name, he turns 18 and you go into bankruptcy. That bankruptcy might actually be on him too, so it's like double trouble. I've even suggested people to even get a middle name and just maybe even change their name a letter or two, just so that they don't keep having this problem over and over and over and have to keep coming back for credit repair. One thing I do that's preliminary whenever we start a client is we remove all old addresses. Any information that just doesn't need to be there that can be used for identifying you to that negative, we get it done. And a lot of times we can remove a lot of stuff. So this client, we signed him up in October. We filed the first dispute October 28th of 2021. You can see we've done 3 rounds. His TransUnion was $4.99, now it's $6.11, 100-point increase. Experian, $5.17, now it's $6.05, about 80-90-point increase. And this is pretty general. These may seem like people market to you 100-point increase. I'll be honest with you, when I see this, I'm not very excited about it. I want people to get complete removal, rebuild their credit, and get over 740 so they can get the best deal on a home loan and get the credit cards that they want. So another client we're looking at, again, round 3, 465 to 564 on TransUnion, 100-point increase. 465 to 565, 100-point increase. Or this is a 99-point increase. 469 to 568, 99-point increase. And you can see, I'm being transparent with you. I'm not just saying stuff to say stuff. Right here, we can see what's positive. We can see what's been deleted per bureau and what we currently have in dispute. I'm all about transparency. Same thing. We can see TransUnion, we deleted 10. We have 5 in positive. We have 12 in dispute. 552 to 572, 550 to 588, 557 to 644. And one of the reasons why score may even be so low is if you have a late payment within the last even 3 months, we can remove every single negative. Your score would still be in the crapper. I've had clients, we fix their credit, 6 months, 6 months of progress, we get them to, and the goal of a credit per company is not really to build your credit unless we offer credit building services, which we do. But, to get a secured card, to get trade lines, all that stuff costs money. I always tell people, get a good secured card. I offer a few that are pretty low cost, but most banks, if you're not in like CoreLogic, or if you haven't screwed up with the banks, you can most likely get a secured card with your credit union or bank. They really help build credit. I've had people where we completely clean them out, where they they don't even exist in the system anymore. They're just completely done. I'm going to move this because I keep looking down so I can look up at the camera. So we've removed so much information and gotten so many deletions that the credit report doesn't even exist anymore. There's not enough information to put together a report. Every time you log into Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, data is being pulled to generate a report. That's all it is. It's not that they have a file with your name on it. It's data in wherever they hold data, and it's just compiled based on the information they have, addresses, things that connect you the person, to all the information that's out there. That's what creates your report. It's just an accumulation of data. You can see the score may not increase that much. Generally in my program, we offer people sign up for the monthly, sign up for a secured credit card, and then let us work. 15 months is pretty outrageous. I even gave the client 2 free months in the process because I didn't feel comfortable him being on the program for that long. But when you got 70, 90, 100 accounts, multiple bankruptcies filed, there's not really much else you can do. And he saw progress every month. He's like, I'm seeing 10, 20 deletions every month. And, some months are bad when I get 3 or 4. I trust it. I'm not going to sit here, go with another company, reinvent the wheel, all that stuff. And, he ended up getting his credit cleaned, taking our advice, getting a secured credit card, and so on and so forth. Now he's happy. I haven't heard from him again ever since we've canceled him, and he's on his way with good credit. A lot of these people, they're under 40 years old. I've had some of my clients, clients with big jumps like this, stay in the program 6-8 months, whatever's recommended and whatever they can afford realistically. I've had people go start businesses, and a lot of positive things happen when your credit is repaired. I'm big on education. I love to study. I carry books with me wherever I go. I recommend everyone to study. Get on YouTube. There's a lot of great resources. I have a lot of resources on my channel, Matias. I love Credit Shifu. I love Ask Savvy. I love all these guys that just teach good education about credit. And it's a good, solid education. It's not you're just being marketed to. You're actually learning concepts that you can apply to your own business and your personal credit and business credit. Utilize the free resources out there. Well, this is conclusion of my video. We're going over 3 clients. These are real, genuine clients. My lowest plan right now is $99 a month. Yeah, and these are the clients. I'll let you just have a little look one more time. 100-point increase here, 100-point increase here. And, we're still working on the Experian and TransUnion. You can see this client came to us with, a lot of negatives, a lot of collections. A lot of people actually have hospital collections, which are pretty easy to remove. If you understand FCRA guidelines and how they relate to HIPAA, medical collections are some of the easiest things to get removed off a credit report. But 19 removed, 10 removed, 24 removed, and they don't just see it on this end. They see it on their app, on the Experian app, on the Credit Karma app. They get notification things are going, and they're texting us, "Oh, Miles, they'll let my sales staff know, let my assistant know, Miles, things are going great. We're seeing a lot of deletions. We're happy with the process. And, that's pretty much how my business runs. People get happy. They let everyone else know. They bring 6 clients here, 10 clients here, yada, yada. But it's educational. The state of credit repair, I would say, in 2022 it changed a lot, in my opinion. Bureaus are becoming wiser because they just want to do less work. They don't want to comply with you going with the credit repair company, fixing your own credit, things like that. They're doing a lot of shady stuff. But I would say credit repair is a very viable business. I love it. I love helping people. I have so many good stories I could tell you, along with credit repair and how people have used it to start businesses and different things like that. So this is just a look back on 3 clients. I hope you're having a great day.